people know us from the research side, right? Presenting, following transaction chains and telling you, okay, this person got that many tokens and this team is dumping. But it's actually not what we're really about. That's just what we happen to do because it's part of our work. But what we're really about is risk ranking. And what is risk? A lot of people don't have a good feeling for what it is, but basically what we're doing is we give you one simple metrics that you can start comparing tokens and can understand, okay, this token is really more risky than this other token. And this will help us as a community a lot, because what it will do is if we stop having feelings and start having metrics, then we can also understand and say, okay, actually all of these tokens should have more capital because they will serve the community more than all of these other tokens, right? And if we just have this discussion without quantitative metrics, right, and we're just locked up in our own opinions instead of seeing the reality as it is. And we do it along three primary categories. We look at the price risk, which is how volatile it is, the network risk, who is owning that asset, and then we look at the liquidity risk, which is, okay, how much liquidity is in that ecosystem. And that's actually it. When you think about Xerberus, think about risk ratings, we make it, there's so much more that we can say, but at its core, that's it. If you want to know if token A or token B is more risky, then come to us and vote for our proposal. So everyone in Cardano has access to it for free, and that you can also use it to build your own applications on it. So you can use all this information, the underlying information, completely for free via API. So there's a lot that you can use to build on it, and we're already working with at least 2 other applications, Fund10 and Hawkfax. So we are out there, and and stop. Thank you.